Hello everyone, this is Damni Vigara from SVC College. Here I'm here to present about the topic optical fibers. I'll be telling you the contents what I'm going to explain. First is what is optical fibers, then structure of optical fibers, raw materials used, working principle of optical fibers, application of optical fibers, advantages and disadvantages of optical fibers. First, what is optical fibers? An optical fiber is a hair thin cylindrical fiber of a glass or any dielectric medium. Then comes the structure of optical fibers. First is the core. A core is a cylindrical dielectric made of glass or plastic that transmits light. The core reflective index is higher than the cladding, which helps to reduce signal loss. Then comes the cladding. The cladding is a layer that surrounds the core and is made out of dielectric materials. The cladding usually does not participate in the light transmission, but it helps to reduce signal losses. Then comes the coating. A coating is the outer protective layer which is made out of fiber. Then comes the raw materials like glass, plastic, cladding, and buffers. These are some of the raw materials used in optical fibers. Then the working principle of optical fibers. Optical fibers work on the principle of total internal reflection, which is also called as TIR. This means that when light enters an optical fiber of an angle greater than the critical angle, it reflects back the fiber instead of exiting. This process repeats, allowing light signals to travel the length of fibers. Optical fibers are made out of two materials with different refractive indicates. The core cladding, and the core has higher refractive index than the cladding. Then comes the applications of optical fibers. Optical fibers are used in many things such as telecommunication, defensive, smart cities, gaming, medical field, then sensors, lightings, then mechanic in the field of mechanics, and so on. Then comes the advantages and disadvantages. First is the advantage. Uh, one of the advantages, speed. Optical fiber transmit data at the speed of light. That shows how the speed works. Then comes the reliability. Then is the energy efficiency. Then is the disadvantage. Optical fiber is fragile and more vulnerable to damage than copper wires. It gets damaged very easily. Then it is quite expensive compared to any other things. Then it's quite difficult to handle also. So this is my today's topic. Thank you.